This is a 2011 G-Wagon. Today I'm going to show you how to change the front headlight bulb. If it's a HID or a halogen, doesn't really matter. But the same procedure will apply for every G-Wagon since 2003 up to 2017 or 18. So let's do it. There's the two screws at the bottom that you need to unscrew. One here, one there. Once you unscrew them, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna slide it up. There's the two tabs. Gently just pry it out. Be careful, there's a washer nozzle here. You want to disconnect this one as well. So here's the washer nozzle. Okay, there's something to mention actually in here. That hose is a huge problem to take off this little nipple. I have no idea. That hose, it looks like the garden hose. It's just a huge hose. It's very hard to slide it off of it. I'm battling with this one for a good 10 minutes. But the only way is basically just, it will take time. You need to be careful that you don't want to break this little elbow. It's a plastic one. Sure is not easy, but it's doable. So I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, now we need to unscrew 3 screws. One here, and one there. Here's the ballast, and here's the bulb in here. So now when the bulb is replaced, just need to install those 3 screws and put the cover back. So what you want to do is just slide those 2 tabs behind the screws, then install the washer nozzle. I'll never get why they use the garden hose. It's so heavy hose for the washer nozzle. There's no pressure, there's nothing in there. It's totally overkill. It's absolutely nonsense. It just makes the job way unnecessarily hard. This is the tabs, you know, put it in behind, just push down. Oh, that's it, the job is done. Alright, well, it's originally a very easy job, but I found it really difficult to take off the hose. But it's doable. There you go.